measuring devices. Measuring devices, or you can say measuring instrument. What are the measuring devices or measuring instrument? See, for understanding measuring devices and measuring instrument, we need to understand why we are using this. Suppose in case if you are having meter scale, simple stationary scale which you are using. Okay, so when we will talk about simple meter scale, so in meter scale you are seeing that small meter scale. When we are talking about meter scale you know, meter scale you are having a small scale 15 centimeter, a big you are having that will be having 30 centimeter. It means, and you will see there 15 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and there you will see in 1 centimeter there will be 10 small division. That thing you can notice in your scale. 1 centimeter equal to 10 small division, 0 to 1, 1 centimeter, and it will be divided into 10 equal part. It means 1 centimeter means what? 10 mm. 10 mm equal to 10 small division, which means 1 mm will be what? 1 small division. 1 mm will be equal to 1 small division. Now when I am saying 1 mm equal to 1 small division, it means smallest division can measure 1 mm. Smallest division of meter scale can measure 1 mm, which means we can say least count. Least count is what? Least count is the minimum length or minimum distance which can be measured by any scale. So least count in this case will be 1 mm. Least count will be in this case will be 1 mm, or you can say 0.1 centimeter. 1 mm means what? 0.1 centimeter. So suppose in case if you are having your simple meter scale and I am saying you make a line of 7.1 centimeter, you can say yes, I can make, no problem. But if I am saying make a line of 8.32 centimeter, you cannot make. You cannot make. You can make up to only 0.1 centimeter, and it will be what? 0.01. It means 8.3. After that what come? After that 8.3 and 8.4, if scale you will see, so there will be one 8.3 and there will be one 8.4, and between 8.3 and 8.4 there will be no space there by which you can measure, where it will be 8.32, 8.30 you can say, 8.34, 8.40 you can say, and where you can measure 8.32, you cannot measure here. That is why meter scale can give accuracy up to 1 mm. We need to use for that two things. One, vernier calipers and screw gauge. Vernier calipers and screw gauge, two things we need to use here. Vernier caliper, see, it can give accuracy up to 1 mm meter scale. Vernier caliper in usual case give accuracy up to 0.1 mm, and screw gauge can give accuracy up to 0.01 mm. 0.01 mm usually. So we need to understand these two devices one by one, and numerical will come from here. Students are finding this topic bit tricky. Whatsoever I am saying, only that you need to focus, and each and everything you will get. So meter scale, you know, from the meter scale you can measure minimum distance of 1 mm. what is the minimum distance we can measure? That is called least count. Least count of meter scale is 1 mm. Least count of vernier caliper is 0.1 mm and here 0.01 mm. 0.1 mm means in the range of 0.1 mm. It could be 0.2 also, it could be 0.4 also. It could be also 0.02, it could be also 0.04. So, now we will study them one by one. Vernier calipers. Vernier calipers or vernier scale, when we need to study, then you need to understand first one thing. Vernier caliper device, if you have been seen in your lab, if you didn't see, you can see there will be two scale in that device. One will be main scale and one will be vernier scale. One will be main scale, one will be vernier scale.